Hello, my name is Chris Hunter. I'm a lawyer with Michigan Auto Law, the top-rated automobile law firm in the state of Michigan. So I get a call from lots of friends and family members saying, I've read the newspapers and this is great. With the changes in the no-fault law, my premiums are going to go way down. I'm going to save 45% on my no-fault premiums. Is that really true? And my answer is, no, it really isn't. And then the follow-up question is always, well, how do you know that? I mean, because this is what I've read, this is in the newspapers, it's what I'm being told. So let's take a real-life example. I'm going to put on the screen my declarations page. This shows you the insurance coverages that I have purchased. And I've highlighted for you the critical part of that policy. That is the personal injury protection benefits. This is where the medical bills come from, and this is what we're hearing all about. Oh my gosh, I'm paying so much for my auto insurance. If I can just eliminate that PIP benefit, that my premiums are really going to go down. That's what the hype is. So I'm going to take my deck sheet off and I'm going to break that down for you. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you the chart here. All this does is take those same premiums and it breaks it down into categories in just an easy chart. My bodily injury protection, my PIP, excess medical, property protection. You can see it right there, and you can see how much I'm actually paying for car insurance for 2 cars. Now, these numbers don't mean anything, so let's put up the second chart here and take a look at where my actual premium dollars are going. So remember, what we're being told is if I just eliminate PIP coverage, I'm going to save a lot of money. So here's my policy, and I have it highlighted for you again. Take a look at what I'm actually paying for my PIP coverage. It's only 14% of my policy. If you look down further, you can see that the vast majority of my premiums are actually in collision coverage, not in PIP coverage. So to answer that question, I'm going to put up the third slide there. So you asked me, is there really a savings if I get rid of my PIP coverage or if I cap that PIP coverage? So what I've done is I've taken the best case scenario. So we've been told if you get rid of PIP coverage, it's 0. Or if you get the largest discount you can, you'll get a 45% discount. Now keep in mind, that discount's not on your insurance premiums. That discount is only on your PIP coverage. So again, I've highlighted. So what happens to my policy? Well, my premiums go from 14% of my policy to 8% of my policy. So take a look at the bottom there. You'll see what the actual savings are. It's about $100 per car. 2 cups of coffee a month. I mean, that's it. And for that savings, think about all the things you're giving up. You're giving up your unlimited medical benefits. You're giving up medical mileage. You're potentially giving up your wage loss. And even worse, you might be giving up your pain and suffering money to pay for your medical bills instead of yours. And you have to ask, is it really worth 2 cups of coffee a month to give up all of these benefits? And we say the answer is no. It doesn't make any sense. If you can afford unlimited no-fault coverage, unlimited PIP coverage, you should really keep that in place. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact the firm, Michigan Auto Law. We've put the phone number up there for you. I hope this helps. Thanks.